Well, good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with a second run on Talaria Inu. Now, for those of you who caught the first part of the video, I want you to know that I do my best to try to be objective and, believe it or not, fair when I do my assessments of these different coins. And for some odd reason, I got a copyright claim slapped on me for doing this video, and I think it had something to do with their little sad little cartoon here talking about the the birth of Talaria Inu. So I still want to get this information out to those people who are my subscribers. So I'm going to do it again without playing any of the little cartoon here. That's the only thing that was making a sound, and they got upset. It seems to me that they would want people to play their little video and propagate it. But I guess since they don't want to be nice, I guess I don't have any choice but to not be nice either. So let's go ahead and give them a real assessment of their coin. First of all, a lot of these meme coins are bogus, and you guys know that. But they attempt to put something out here that looks like it's actually a decent coin. Okay, anybody, okay, including me, could come up here and make a little floating dog and then write up some stuff about its unique deflationary token. Almost anybody could go to MIT's repository and download any one of the variants of Bitcoin or the derivatives. There's like 16 different actual algorithms, and you could create your own coin. And to be honest with you, I'm actually tired of seeing these meme coins. Okay, the Sheeb Inus, the Floki Inus, the Elon coins, and all these little dog coins. I'm tired of it. Okay, I'm looking to see if one of them actually has any value. Okay, let's look at this roadmap. Okay, I tried to be objective when I looked at it. I said the token launch, website launch, marketing, CG and CMC listing, burn festival. Look, this is not a real timeline. Yeah, that's right. Now you're going to get a fair assessment. You want I tried to be nice about it. At least you had a timeline because someone told you you needed one. But now I'm going to tell you like it is. This is not a real timeline. Okay, where is you talking to actual real investors? Where is your actual real use case? Okay, I've seen a half a dozen of the coins at least have a game already built. What is this? Buy on Uniswap, contact with liquidity lock. What's this chart? I'm trying to find something that's worth talking about. None of this looks like it's legit. Okay, it's not. Okay, just because you say NFTs to become a mighty Talarian, where's the NFTs? How do I get one? Okay, so while you're worried about somebody using your copyrighted little video, okay, I think we really need to get some real value here. Okay, I'm looking for something. I'm trying not to be angry because I had to do this twice. The Talaria of Mercury are a pair of Greek sandals. Okay, y'all just sitting up here making up stuff. You're making up stuff and you're putting it on Uniswap. You're putting it on PancakeSwap, and you think everybody's just going to buy it, and they probably will because they're looking for a quick buck. And we'll just have to see if they make this into a real coin or not. For all those people out there who think I'm just being a hothead, please leave your comments in the comment section. Please let me know why this Talaria Inu is worth buying. I don't see it. I love the graphics, and that's about it. Hope to catch you on the next one, and I'll see you on the next one.